welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Monday, September 7th. Today is also today was actually not an even spell schedule. I'm sorry, you guys. Today was an all bell schedule. We were working on Schedule F, which was a little bit funky for some of us, but we made it through. Today's agenda and our essential question is, what are the expectations of Avid scholars at Mendes? We're still kind of working through what's expected of you as scholars, for organization, for how you, your attitude, your academic attitude, which we talked a little bit about. For your do now, we had a quick write to do, so let's look at that really quick. So your quick write today was, what were your successes and challenges in developing time management skills in 7th grade? A lot of you had a lot of great challenges in terms of maybe not feeling motivated or not feeling accountable, and that impacted your time management skills. But also, what were your successes? And for some of you, your successes were that you were able to make it on class, and sometimes that can be a little bit difficult. So that's something we wrote about, we talked about. Since yesterday was a little bit of a shorter day, we spent a lot of time talking about that. The virtual field trip form, I'm saving that for tomorrow, Wednesday. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is Monday. It is not Monday. I apologize for that. It's Tuesday. Okay, and then I talked about study buddies with you guys. That's due Friday, please. Reminder, I want to make sure you are getting your study buddies in. And then our exit ticket was, what form of college interest did you have, okay? So that's just a little bit of what we did today, and just a little bit more. Exit ticket, what colleges and universities would you like to learn more about? All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions or need to reach out to me before or after school, I'm here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you in class.